So let us spill this already spilled juice and check what our Real Housewives of Durban cast were wearing for Valentine. Naba our girl bagezile, our girl bahle, our nonku, they know what they're doing, but it's flowers, it's giving flowers all the way, flowers, flowers, flowers. But honestly, ne, I know she's no longer part of the Real Housewives, but I just truly loved Ueni, and I was like, yay, Ueni is giving, 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 giving. Others were spending it with their babies and whatnot. Shem yazini njengoba uba single nje enye into isivuthu vuthu isiphiti phiti. But those that were not doing it with their babies and whatnot, they did photo shoots. Kire abolondi bibanjani uzama heke, and I was just in her working out clothes and whatnot, so I don't necessarily know how she spent it, but everybody looked ravishing, looked beautiful. Even the gifts that Bube bought for Ujojo. Yo, you guys go through this video because the pictures are not posted online, like line by line, but yeah, you can see now lapo aboruwe, and everybody is just enjoying Valentine's Day. The question is, are you here listening to this gossip, or are you out with your bae?